Apple just released iOS 26, and it's packed with features that could completely change the way you use your iPhone. From a stunning new design to real-time translation in calls, this update is one you don't want to miss. Today, we're showing you the 3 coolest features you need to try first. Apple just released iOS 26, and it's packed with features that could completely change the way you use your iPhone. From a stunning new design to real-time translation in calls, this update is one you don't want to miss. Today, we're showing you the 3 coolest features you need to try first. First up, Liquid Glass. Apple's new design language for iOS 26 is not just eye candy. It's about making your iPhone more intuitive and fluid. Everything feels lighter, more responsive, and yes, a little magical. Menus, notifications, and app backgrounds now have a glass-like translucency. It looks sleek and makes multitasking feel seamless. You can now tweak your lock screen with clear, ultra-clear, or reduced transparency modes depending on your style. Everything from swiping between apps to opening the control center has smoother animations that make the phone feel alive. Whether you like a futuristic translucent look or a simpler reduced transparency setup, Liquid Glass gives you the freedom to make your iPhone truly yours. Next, Messages gets a major upgrade. Polls. Perfect for group chats, this feature lets you settle decisions quickly or just have fun with friends. Want to decide where to eat or what movie to watch? Create a poll directly in your chat in seconds. Everyone in the group can vote, and you see results in real time. It's like a mini survey inside your iPhone. As Mashable says, this is also perfect for inside jokes or silly arguments. Imagine voting on the best snack in the office. Polls might sound simple, but they make group chats way more interactive and a lot more fun. The third and possibly most magical feature is live translation. Powered by Apple Intelligence, it allows you to translate conversations in real time across Messages, FaceTime, and even phone calls. Imagine talking to someone who speaks Spanish while you only know English. iOS 26 translates your conversation live, right on the screen. Text messages in foreign languages are instantly readable, so you never miss context or nuance. This could change how you communicate, travel, or even do business. Conversations across languages just became a lot easier. We're still testing it fully, but if it works as Apple promises, live translation might feel like magic in your pocket. Ready to try iOS 26 for yourself? Here's how to update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Download and install. Make sure your iPhone is backed up and connected to Wi-Fi. The update is free, and if your device is an iPhone 12 or newer, you're good to go. And that's a quick look at the 3 coolest features in iOS 26. Liquid Glass, Polls in Messages, and live translation. Which one will you try first? Comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech updates from around the world.